As a fashion student, we do get some guidance on how to create a portfolio. We also see our friends and maybe do some research on the internet as well. But ask yourself, is it enough? Why is your resume and portfolio not getting selected by the companies you want to work with? I go through many freshers and experienced candidates' portfolios, and I see a pattern of mistakes many are making. Number one, the theme that you're using on your portfolio. Is it communicating modern and trendy or childish and immature? Pay attention to that. Second, colors used on your portfolio. Too many colors doesn't make it creative. Rather, stick to only three colors: dominant color, secondary color, and accent color. This way, it will enhance your portfolio even more. Third, the quality of the images attached on your portfolio. The entire purpose of those images is to communicate your creativity. And if the images are poor quality or too small, then it doesn't serve any purpose on your portfolio. Fourth, the font on your portfolio. This point may sound very simple, but a lot of you are making this mistake of adding highly stylized fonts on your portfolio, which makes it very difficult to read for a recruiter. So make sure that you use simple font, and if you want to use a stylized font, make sure that you're using it in a smaller percentage. Fifth, does your portfolio look organized or messy? Because the way you arrange your images and the text makes a huge difference whether your portfolio looks classy or messy. So make sure that you pay attention on how you structure your portfolio. If you are a fresher, show your portfolio to an expert or a senior who is successful in their career so that they can give you tips or help you to build your portfolio altogether so that you don't lose out opportunities. Share this video with your friends so that you and your friends can improve and enhance your career. And stay tuned